Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you the best live streaming software I'm using for free. It's very easy to use and it's also packed with pro features. So if you are looking for something like this video is totally for you because I'm going to share with you the platform I've been using lately, and this is called Evmux. So what is Evmux and why you should use it if you want to do some kind of workshops, live streaming, webinars, or maybe some boot camps, or anything you want to do, maybe online courses. So Evmux, it's a modern live streaming tool that really lets you create like a studio quality broadcast. You can write in your browser. You don't have to install anything, which is great. And there is no need to download the software. So, and also if you are looking for like easy to use software, you don't need any technical skills. It's perfect for e-commerce store owners or coaches, content creators, or anyone who wants to go live and professionally without spending a fortune. So here is why I love Evmux. It's a perfect plan for you. Like you can choose the free version. We're going to see the free plan because I'm using it for free, and it's the perfect live streaming software in 2025 for sure, because you have a lot of pro features which you might be comparing to other live streaming software which are not for free or a little bit more expensive. So you have to think about it. What is the value for the price? But let's have a look on the free plan, because that's enough for any kind of content creator or videos like I'm doing right now. And if I go live, for example, on YouTube, I can easily use this software and with a free plan. So you have different apps, different widgets. What is important here is a 3 GB storage. You can upload and record up to 3 GB. So that's fine. It's enough for you if you just like really live. If you go live every week, for example, even if you go every day, you still have enough storage. You can always download a video from Evmux and then put it, for example, on YouTube. You can use up to 12 participants in the stream. So you can swap the guest and, put them on the stage, off the stage anytime. So it's a lot, 12 people on the stage. So you can play with it as you want. You have two destinations at the same time. You can stream to two destinations. For example, I am using Evmux to stream to my YouTube channel in Czech language, and I'm using also Evmux to stream to my YouTube channel in English. So both of these I can connect with Evmux in this plan. You can choose different destinations, and I'm going to show you later both kind of destinations, how you can stream and where. But it's pretty straightforward, as I said. You don't need like super fast internet, because sometimes when you do live on YouTube directly without any live streaming software, you need like super fast internet. Trust me, I find it the hard way when I was doing live workshops, and it just doesn't work out unless you have like super fast internet. But with the Evmux, you can easily go and stream it through the Evmux streamer software and go on YouTube. And then you don't need like super internet, like super fast internet, right? So that's perfect. What else we have here? You can use banners, highlight the comments, which I think also one of the features is integrated chat. So you can really chat with the participants. They can, when you're streaming, they can, make any kind of comments. And what I love about the Evmux, that you can highlight the comments when you're doing live. So they are arriving from the chat, right? People are writing comments and maybe they're asking questions, and you can highlight the comment on the screen. That's one of the features I love most about the Evmux. It's similar to StreamYard when you were using before, but this one is like super nice because you can see all of the people that are watching live. They can see this highlighted comment. You can use virtual background, green screens, or any kind of personalized virtual background like you see right now behind me. Screen sharing, you have streaming limits up to 30 hours monthly. It's a lot of streaming hours. So if you want to stream all the time, that's fine, but 30 hours monthly and up to 2 hours each live. So like you can do live for 2 hours, then you do another another live for 2 hours, but it's 30 hours. It's quite a lot. Of course, in the free plan, you will have the Evmux logo because that's what it is in this plan. So when you register, you can just go through the plan, you choose the free one, get started for free, you register, you put your email, your password, you get to the dashboard like here. You can see it, how it look like. You see, I'm using the free version, as I'm saying. It's enough for you if you want to just do sometimes live streaming, and you don't need like super professional and a lot of storage for you. So let's have a look. You can see what I can create, like a new projects, for example. I can create here, click on create. You can choose live stream. So you can use the Studio, Evmux Studio, to design and brand your live stream and recording. You can also the live stream, you can also plan ahead. So maybe I'm like, okay, I will do live stream tomorrow, and you can set it up, put it like plan, okay, schedule it in the future, and then connect it with the, for example, YouTube channel. So it will go like, okay, it's upcoming live stream, and you can plan it ahead. You don't have to go live again, like immediately. You can record in the studio, just like I'm doing right now in different software. You can record here, because for me, Evmux is the best for live streaming, but definitely you can use it for recording, or you can also use it for pre-recorded video. So you can upload up your MP4 file and live stream it to the multiple destinations. So let's say you already have some video you want to live stream, which is pre-recorded. You can put it in the Evmux and then stream it to multiple destinations, right? The most important, I mean, the fact and the features I'm using most is the live stream, because that's for me, it's Evmux. It's one of the best live streaming softwares in this year. So I can also show you what kind of destinations you can put. In the free plan, it's 2 destinations. If I want to edit now, I won't be able to do it because I already have 2 destinations. It's 2 YouTube channels I have in different languages, but you can do it. You can leave live stream to Facebook page, Facebook group, and profile. With the Facebook group, you can't do it directly. You need this link to create live stream, because you know, maybe I don't know how long ago, but you can't just live stream to Facebook groups like before. You need to set it up via custom RTMP. So that's a different story, but you can definitely live stream to Facebook page or Facebook profile, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. For me, it's the best combination. But of course, if you have TikTok, you can live stream to Telegram, Vimeo, Rumble, and all these platforms. So you can connect. Remember, in the free plan, it's a 2 destinations, multiple destination you can stream. Then in the studio, of course, it like when you are live recording, you have studio where you can set up the background, the chat, the banners. So you can actually set it up, plan it, or just go live stream straight away. Speakers, you can add speakers here if you want to have speakers with you on, maybe like you have interview, or maybe you're doing some, you know, you want to invite somebody to speak with you. So that's perfect. You can add them, and then you share the link. You can add collaborators to your channel, and then settings. You can set different projects, different project name and description. So this is how it looks in dashboard in Evmux. As I said, it's not, you don't need any technical skills, and it's really easy to use. So if you maybe use some live streaming software before, this one is also super easy. Maybe the easiest one I was ever using in my online live, let's say. So have a look and try it, because I think it's for me, one of the best live streaming softwares nowadays. So try it out. Let me know what you think about Evmux, because definitely I think it's there is a huge potential in this live streaming software. And I totally love the future about the highlighted content. You can really use the storage, and you can use and live stream up to 30 hours monthly in the free plan. So try it out. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? If you want any more detailed step-to-step tutorial, I can also make a video for you. So let me know if it makes it's difficult for you. And if you like my videos, not only about Pinterest, but also about business, and this video, for example, about live streaming software, hit it here, subscribe, hit the button, and every Friday I have new videos for you. So I will wait for you next week, and I'm looking forward to see you.